Hello everyone. Today I'll be discussing about a new drug called as Medorrhinum. So Medorrhinum is a drug which is prepared from the infection of gonorrhea. So gonorrheal infection क्या होता है? As we all know that it is a disease of the private areas, and what happens, the discharge from the private areas which comes becomes infected. The urethral discharge becomes infected. In males the urethral is discharge, and in females it's the vaginal discharge which becomes infected, and from that the medicine is being made. So what happens, how do you suspect this discharge to be, and how do you proceed with these thoughts are, that is something very hideous thing and which becomes infected, and that is something, a thing of identity, a thing of something which needs to be very strong and identical. Similarly, if you see the traits in the Medorrhinum patients, it's the same as they become very much sensitive to criticism, because they become shy and criticism and hideous about the things. They are very hideous people, they are very secretive people, and also they are so much sensitive that even if you say something they take it as that you are insulting me, because they have very high egos in themselves. So they portray to be very strong, they have very much false pictures. So we, अगर आप पहले हम जो schools में, old schools में हम पढ़ते हैं, and in our colleges what is taught is the psychosis is very strong of Medorrhinum. So what is psychosis? Psychosis is something which is being portrayed, it's not the natural trait, right? So इसके लिए, because इतना fear है इन लोगों में, because out of fear they become so much hideous and they become so overprotective. So this fear is all and all going on in this Medorrhinum, because what these sexual discharge and what these gonorrheal thing happens is, वहाँ पर भी उनको fear और insecurity है, because their identity is infected. Similarly in Medorrhinum you get confusion of identity at some places. Also the major part of the Medorrhinum is one, firstly they have despair to criticism. That is the only remedy which has despair to criticism. They can't bear the anybody is saying कि तुम ऐसे क्यों लग रहे हो, they will take it as कि you have insulted me, you have criticized me. So that is the ego of Medorrhinum. Secondly, if to confirm, there is tried for Medorrhinum. So first is the criticism. There should be a sensitivity towards criticism. There should be a strong desire for the sour acids, sour things. जैसे to confirm, many times we ask, do you like pani puri? So they say with a very big smile, yes. And thirdly is the fear of darkness. And more to confirm, we ask that, so they'll tell you that they sleep on abdomen. Why on abdomen? Because there is so much insecurity, so much fear for their body and for their parts, that they will try to sleep on abdomen to protect themselves and to make themselves feel like ki, yes, I want to protect this, I am in fear, I want to save this, and hence they sleep on the abdomen just to make them secure that they are on the safer side. That's all about Medorrhinum. And if you want to know more, you can join our module sessions. You can have more information on our online website. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.